Franck Muller has teamed up with St. DuPont to create this brilliant horological master lighter. They merged luxury lifestyle and horology to create an elegant and functional accessory. The master lighter appears in St. DuPont's signature diamond head pattern lighter. Both sides of the case are reimagined to feature an open design to showcase the watch dial and skeleton movement. The Franck Muller multicolored Arabic dial are set against sunburst, lacquered dial. On the opposite side of the case, the face shows a colorful aesthetic, showing Franck Muller's complications and movements that are geared with a 3-day power reserve. This haute horlogerie lighter took over 2 years to develop and is the first of its kind, representing an exceptional technical achievement. The hand's axis traverses the lighter, passing through the center of the gas reservoir inside the white gold case. The Master Lighter collection consists of 4 exceptional lighters, with a limited series of only 88 units per shade. The white variant stands out with its silver dial featuring a sunburst pattern. The blue model echoes Franck Muller's signature blue. The black version, more modern in appearance, is remarkable for its luminova-applied numerals. Finally, the Color Dream model features the brand's colored numerals, complemented on the back by a skeleton movement in aluminum, specially crafted to highlight the vivid colors on the front of the lighter. Franck Muller has always been known to shake up the box with something extremely unique and elegant like this master lighter. This master lighter should be used for the most extravagant cigars like Davidoff's, and make great accessories for suits and other sophisticated fashion clothing. The only way to find the price on this limited rare master lighter is to ask upon request, making Franck Muller one of the most suspenseful luxury watch brands on the market.